What's up guys, welcome back to the Karuna Film. So today I'm going to show you guys how to speed up your WeChat or your iPhones. Alright, so before we do that, make sure save your images, any videos, pictures, what you want, documents you have on your iPhone or your WeChat. Actually your WeChat, you make sure backup everything, then we're gonna do this. All right, let's go straight to here. So this is how much my WeChat using, which is 4 GB here, you can see here. So now I'm going to show you guys how to clear it step by step. First we go to, all right, let's go to straight here, click on me and click on the general, scroll down, click on the storage. Okay, now we come back and see here, you see 4 GB data, chat history 3 GB, caches 449.5 MB. So this is how much WeChat taking actually. So that's why your phone is completely slow down. All right, so now we're going to clear it. All right, I'm going to show you guys step by step. So click on the clear. You see it come to 0 caches now. Now we're going to go back, click on the clear storage, clear chat, then we're going to click on the storage. Okay, see now it was reduced. You see 2.9 GB, caches 2 GB. We're going to click on the clear, done. You see, yeah, now you see 900.1 MB, cache 0 MB. Everything's good now. Go back, click on the clear chat history. Okay, you see now it's even less than before. 721 MB, cache 179 MB. Okay, now we go back to the WeChat, click on the contact chat. Your chat stories are lost, that's why we save before we do that. Your contacts are not lost, it's still here. Okay, alright guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.